So here we have this Viver weatherproof hard case. Now, full disclosure, this is a paid review, but the opinions in this video are my own. It's made of a really thick and durable plastic. It has a nice big handle for easier carrying with a rubber grip on it as well. Then right above that is this pressure release valve. The case also has 2 holes on either side where you can put padlocks to lock it shut, and then 4 of these clips that hold the lid shut. Opening it up, the inside already has foam in it. The top of the case has egg-shaped foam, and then the bottom is a solid foam that's sort of pre-cut into 3/4 inch squares, and that's supposed to make it easier to cut out and fit the items you want to put in here. Also, the foam on the bottom comes in 3 of these 1 3/4 inch thick layers, and then there's another about 3/4 inch thick layer of foam under that. As you saw, the case is pretty durable. It's also dust proof, and it has this groove on the top of the lid with a seal in it that matches up to this extended part on the bottom here that makes it IPX67 rated waterproof, which basically just means it can handle light weather no problem and can also be fully submerged in water for short periods of time. Also, this is a pretty large case. The inside's about 22 inches long, 17 inches wide, and 6 inches tall. And of course, you can get this in a bunch of different sizes. So yeah, it's a pretty durable weatherproof hard case at a much cheaper price than a name brand like Pelican. It's great for guns, ammo, camera gear. It also makes a great protection case for a drone or just anything you want to keep safe from the weather.